Mental realities about adoration nestling with somebody you love sets off the cerebrum to deliver oxytocin. This synthetic eases pressure and advances a sensation of prosperity and joy. Seeing an image of somebody you care about can bring down pressure and torment levels, and assist you with recuperating quicker on the off chance that you are harmed or debilitated. Under a second in the wake of taking a gander at somebody we love, the mind discharges synthetics like oxytocin and dopamine. Together, they give a feeling of extraordinary bliss and prosperity. Kissing assists us with picking who we will adore. It is a major part in keeping up with dependable love. On the off chance that your accomplice is a decent smoocher as you would see it, you might be bound to be content in the relationship. Far-removed relationships work better when accomplices convey about private sentiments and considerations more regularly. At the point when the two accomplices appear to have a romanticized perspective on their accomplice, the relationship has a more grounded possibility of working out. Having a solid social association with somebody is significant for your psychological and actual well-being. Being segregated for extensive stretches can be unfavorable. Love endures longer when the two accomplices are effectively making progress toward self-satisfaction. For couples that decide to chip away at clashes in treatment, 70% track down satisfaction and advantages from the cycle.